How to do drop shipping on Shopify with Amazon. So, we've talked about drop shipping with other websites like CJ Dropshipping and Shopify. In this example, I'm going to show you how you can do the same with Amazon products. Okay, so we have a few things to prepare now. The first one being an app to help us import the products from Amazon to Shopify. And for the app, I'm going to use the Amazon Importer Spreader app. To install this app, just go to Apps and click Add Apps on your Shopify admin homepage and scroll down and click Shopify App Store. And then search for Amazon Importer. There you go. And go ahead and search it. All right. So if you're a seller, I think the better option for the integration app is Commerce because it does have a free plan. But if you're only going to plan to do affiliate marketing and to dropship, generally the Amazon Importer Spreader app is more straightforward. Okay, so let's choose the Amazon Importer Spreader app over here. And I've installed the app, but in your case, you might need to install it first. And as you can see, it only involves 5 steps to do the whole integration. So we got step 1 over here, step 2, step 3, 4, and step 5. All right, so once you've installed the Amazon Importer Spreader app, let's go back to our Shopify and let's familiarize ourselves with the app. Okay, so if you click on the Amazon Importer Spreader app, it will redirect you to a link, a website of the spreader.co, your app. Now, as you can see, I've already added a product for me over here. And this product is live on my Shopify store. So if I click view, it will redirect me to my shop. And as you can see, I have the product listed as my product. And if the user clicks buy it now, they will enter the usual informations as they would normally shop in Shopify. But the handler will be Amazon. Okay, so now we've taken care of the Shopify side of things. Now let's see what we have to do on Amazon. So the first thing you need to do is to apply to the Amazon Associates program. And it's pretty straightforward. You just have to fill in a few informations and they will ask you about what contents you're doing. And after that, they will give you a 180 days trial where you have to make a sales on your affiliate link. So this is originally an affiliate link program, but you can use dropshipping to uh, also sell the products to Shopify. Okay, now as you can see, I have already made an Amazon Associates program, and I'm in the program. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you can just link your target product that you want to have the affiliate marketing in. Go to Amazon, find a product, copy paste, and click link to any page and paste the product page product URL over here, and you will get the HTML. And that HTML you can copy to show in your chosen platforms. Okay, but for this case, you just need to set up your Amazon Associates and do note your Associates ID. You will select your Associates ID when you register for this program, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so the third step in drop shipping an Amazon product is to find the actual product that you want to drop ship. So for this example, I'm going to drop ship a toothbrush, maybe personal care. Let's see what are the good products currently. Okay, so as you can see, this product is selling very well. The under eye patches over here, it's sold 50,000 times in the past month. So this is a very good product candidate for me to drop ship. I'm just going to go ahead and click this product, and let's gather its link. Okay, now once we're in the product page, just go ahead and copy the link of this product on your search bar, hit Control C, and let's go back to our Spreader app. And on the Spreader app, you will only have to paste the link that we've copied before in the menu over here and click Add Product. And just like that, you will have that specific product to your Shopify page. Okay, now as you can see, I want to do auto sync, and I want to add the update prices as per markup pricing rules. More on that later, but I just want to uh, update the prices based on my markup. Okay, so if the product is already listed in the Spreader app, it has actually been added automatically to your Shopify store. So let's check. Let's click View, and again, the View button will take me to the product page that I drop ship on my Shopify store. Very neat. Okay, so there are a few things that you can do. Like any products, in Shopify, you can edit the description and the title, which I highly recommend you to do so that it won't be as copy paste as it would currently. So to do that, I'm going to remind you, go to the Shopify admin dashboard and click product, and then you can edit your newly added product as you would normally edit any Shopify product. Okay, so you can change the title over here. I'm just going to uh, delete everything but the main title, and I can change the descriptions to just a few texts that fits better to my branding. Okay, once you're done, click save, and this will be automatically uh, updated in your Shopify store, as you can see here. Okay, so that is pretty much how you import and dropship products from Amazon to Shopify. But there's one more thing. You can have a number of settings in the Spreader app that you have, but the most important thing is to put in your affiliate link over here in the settings menu. And in my case, I have my associate ID before in the Amazon associate. I can just copy paste my ID into here, but I need to put in my associate ID if I want to if I want to earn extra money from affiliate commissions in each purchase of the products listed on my Shopify page. Now, another cool thing to see is the markup pricing. So the markup pricing is used if you want to mark up the prices compared to the Amazon price. So if you see a good potential product on Amazon and it's under the market value and it's cheaper than your budget allows you, you can mark up the pricing to further increase your income. Also, there are also default values that you can set up for your uh, adding new products for when you're adding new products, so it will automate a few tasks easily, like what we have just did previously. I renamed the title, and I can automate that in this settings. And then next are the button, and I can add a button, which is the view on Amazon button, on my product page that I've just drop shipped on Shopify, but I would opt not to at this time. Okay, so that's how you dropship on Shopify with Amazon products. Thank you for watching. Good luck.